I can't believe you guys. The house is beautiful. Like this. It's abandoned. You go in, you go around. This house is all Grandpa. It's hard to get into. You guys took so long. The same wall in the bedroom, you guys. In fact, this house is mysterious. Somebody came in here and ran out of these pants, guys. Here, let's show you from the corner, guys. 1 pole. This guy, 2 poles, guys. 4 pillars, 5 pillars. Why does this house rebuild our 5 pillars? According to my grandmother, this house has been abandoned for a long time. When a new building was built, it didn't last long. The owner of this house left. The difference is not to see a return. Now please, let's explore this house together. I can't believe you guys. The house is beautiful. Like this. It's abandoned. You're all around. But when you walk in, you're around. This house is all bees, it's hard. Very good to go in. There are bees on the lamp too, guys. This is all bees. This house. It is very difficult for me to walk in. That's because you don't know your grandfather. What angle is it? Just go around here, guys. The road is too beautiful to be missed like this, guys. I'll find a way to get there. There's a bee. It's full of bees, all of you. This is a house that is full. So I'm going to hold my breath. I'm going to come in. This is brave. I'll hold my breath. Let's see if he finds out about you. I can breathe here, guys. Here's a picture of your house. Whoa. This house is too big, guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful abandoned house. So much so that you've been away for so long. The same bedroom wall, you guys. Here you are. That's the beehive, guys. If you go in here without being careful, you will burn it. In fact, this house is mysterious. The window is full of bees, guys. Who comes in here? Could be not paying attention. It's already hit, Mom. Look out, guys. The whole house is now in the same room. The house includes 2 bedrooms, guys. but I have to look very closely. I was going to spin the gecko. This place doesn't know where the bees are. I have to look very closely to get in. In this room, there is a toilet. Then, you see here too. Some guy comes in here and runs off his pants. Hey guys. I'm going to go out the back now, guys. You have to talk to your family. This is your grandfather. The sky is to earth. I don't know which way to avoid you guys. Here's another toilet. This house. 2 facades, please see. I'll show you from the peppers pole here, guys. A pillar, you're full. 2 pillars, guys. 3 columns, 4 columns, 5 columns. Why does this house cut off 5 pillars? I don't understand. According to what kind of architecture, the 5 pillars? On the other side. At the back of the house, I saw something white. Standing on the other side, guys. Now I try to move forward. If we go through these 5 pillars, we have to. Hold your breath, guys. It's not possible, guys. I was so scared to come in here, guys. There's a white statue over there, you guys. There's a lake here, you guys. Lake, water, and air. There's a bridge like this, guys. There is a statue. Dragon head sprinkles you. This house proves to be rich, my friends. This house is proof that it is very rich, but I don't understand why people have to leave. On the other side, there's a pin. A pin to which. It's like going on a fishing vacation, guys. Umbrella at the back. Another pin, guys. Here's the pin, guys. It's called me. Latch. For the fact that it's like a cool house. So guys, I'm going to go to the cool house now, guys. It's got a big coconut canopy here, you guys. This house. This house is a kind of agent, guys. Everywhere you go, it's you. This house is it near the road, if you will? At night. Who dares to come in here? Come on in here, maybe. When you meet a bunch of guys, he's running out of real pants, guys. Now I'm going to go through the latch, guys. I've got to get through this, guys. You're the ones that this tree, the canopy that's been around for a long time. Old people used to say that they like to live with people for a long time. It's what we call the evil spirits in here. They've fallen into this, you guys. You can usually see that the tree, Bodhi, or the trees, body like this rain and wind. It's rare for lightning to strike. Usually, the souls are hiding where they do not fight, but the place of judgment is never there. The soul's in... It's not in there. This is a pin. This is like that of a very wealthy family. Come out here and get excited, guys. This is a pond. It's so amazing. And this lake also has a lot of fish. Now I will. Let's go outside, guys. We'll take a picture around here. Carp dragon flower. Deer. Was that? If we go through the house, we will. Hold your breath. This video, please leave a comment. And for aesthetics, what is your opinion of me? To watch this video of mine, I thank you and wish you well. There is always a lot of luck in my life, guys. I've got to hold my breath, guys. Well, because I'm holding my breath, the bee can't catch the smell. My own breath. Maybe it doesn't. It's undetectable and it doesn't sting. I have to go to a place where there are a lot of bees. If I breathe, it will find me. It will kill your disease.